2015 Sienna. As these vans are getting older and more miles, more and more people are having problems with this issue that they say was possibly under a recall, but the sliding doors not closing for mine, and I just fixed this 5 minutes ago. It was going about halfway, doing a double beep and then moving back. When you hear that double beep, that's the circuit override saying there's too much force in order to close the motor. So say I had my arm in there, or say there was too much rust on the hinges, or something stuck in the track, the amount of current that was running through the motor would just cause it to flip the little override circuit and then double beep and back off for safety. Now for my case, it was, in fact, as I read on the forums, this hinge back here was the problem. So we're right in between, attached to the door here. There's actually this point here. See this pin up top? That goes all the way down through, and that's where the movement takes place. Here, under here, we have some wheels that are rolling on the track, but where a lot of the friction happens is within this assembly here, and this pin that goes straight down through. So I simply sprayed in, for now, some PB Blaster to try to work away at that rust that was in here, and just sprayed it in every little joint that I could find in here and up underneath. And that solved my problem right away. And now when I go to close this, it's a little slow, but it goes all the way, and in fact locks in. Now if we compare that to the other side, I haven't worked on this door at all, but this one seemed to be working totally fine. Let's see how fast this one can go. Pretty slow at the end. This one probably could use some grease too. Now some people have been saying they use WD-40 and others some lithium grease, but I could tell from looking at it mine was getting rusty. So I'm glad that solved the issue and saved me from, you know, attempting to put in the $500, $600 motor assembly and cable assembly, since my cable is okay. So other places you can grease are up here inside this track. There's the roller up here. And down here, we got some movement going on at this spot down here and along this track here. So between those three spots there, up here and down here, if you grease everything you can and put some WD-40 or some other lubricating 3-in-1 oil in there, you should be able to get your door working and closing and not have to go to the dealership. So let's hope that this continues for another 50,000 miles or so like this, then and get a good use out of our van. All right, see ya.